What sound does the cow make? Moo. What sound does the chicken make? What sound does the snake make? What sound does the dog make? What sound does the cat make?
The value of that testing on the 4th and 5th of June is that it's for all comers.
What sound does the sheep make?
I think there's always value
The sheep.
asymptomatic individuals. It also removes that barrier of potential barrier to physician referral.
One of these COVID-19 tests online or by calling the Missouri COVID-19 hotline. That number
What sound does that cow make? Moo. What sound does Claire make?
Daddy.
Wow.
Daddy.
Very nice.
Daddy.